Hello everyone! Every year our industry welcomes new market players, and every year more mergers and acquisitions happen. Power Semiconductors spread all over the world. New fabs, investments, products. As usual, on the latest news and my weekly market updates. And now, let's check what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. Resonac Corporation has developed a third generation of high-grade silicon carbide epitaxial wafer for power semiconductors and has started to mass produce it. HGE3G has quality superior to that of second generation high-grade silicon carbide epi wafer, which has been mass produced up to the present. Infineon Technologies and GaN Systems announced that the companies have signed a definitive agreement under which Infineon will acquire GaN Systems for $830 million. GaN Systems is a global technology leader in the development of gallium nitride-based solutions for power conversion. The company is headquartered in Ottawa, Canada, and has more than 200 employees. Amid feverish anticipation, the joint laboratory which was set up by Sineng Electric in onsemi was inaugurated with a view to pursue tremendous opportunities for the renewable energy industry to flourish. Deploying onsemi's best-in-class product lineup, R&D engineers from Sineng attempt at bringing new upgrades in energy efficiency, product compatibility, and safety design of inverter applications. Thus, the process to verify IGBT's adaptability to photovoltaic converters, including the evaluation of IGBT transistors, silicon carbide diodes and MOSFETs, and IGBT modules, becomes increasingly indispensable. British engineering technology pioneer McLaren Applied has selected STMicroelectronics as a key supplier of silicon carbide power modules for its next-generation IPG5 800-volt inverter. Electric vehicle powertrain technology increasingly relies on a reliable supply of quality silicon carbide semiconductors such as MOSFETs, especially in 800-volt architectures. In choosing ST silicon carbide, McLaren Applied aims to secure a solid and regular power electronics supply chain for McLaren Applied as it ramps up production and commercialization of its IPG5 inverter for IEMs and Tier 1 partners. China's silicon carbide semiconductor supplier InventChip announced the completion of its Series B financing worth hundreds of millions of yuan. As a silicon carbide-focused chip company, InventChip is committed to developing silicon carbide power devices, driver and control chips, and silicon carbide power module products, providing one-stop chip solutions for customers around silicon carbide power semiconductor applications. Infineon Technologies invites you to their 2023 Wide-Bandgap Developer Forum on March 9, broadcast from the studio in Munich. The advantages of Wide-Bandgap technologies are well known and have been proven in many applications in recent years. With the highest efficiency and power density, accompanied with the use of fewer resources, they are also an important building block to slow climate change in the energy transition. Nowadays, no one can get around this requirement when developing new designs. With Bloom Technology, Schneider Electric and Delta Electronics, Infineon Technologies is happy to welcome 3 customers who will share their project experience. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.